Well, Little Dave's Garage here again. Gonna make this video on a Suzuki Intruder 800 S50 Boulevard, whatever you want to call it. They're all the same. And as everybody knows, I'm a great fan of Harbor Freight tools and jacks. You notice this bracket here I just made to stabilize the bike so it doesn't rock around. Another video on that. Harbor Freight small jack with a little adapter I made for changing tires. Again, the easier you make it, the easier it is. Now I've already removed the little plastic caps over the Allen bolts. They're a little bit, sometimes a pain to get out. Now you really have to watch. This bracket here has two little tabs inside to engage in the wheel for the speedometer. When you put it back together again, make sure they are aligned properly. This side has a spacer that will fall out. But watch how easy this is. First, remove the crimp bolt. You don't really have to remove it, but I always do. Next, 19 millimeter. I believe this one's an 8. Removes the axle. And the jack is just barely holding it up at this point. Why get grease on your hands when gloves are so cheap? Okay, these are those two tabs I was telling you about. There's one, and there's the other. They have to engage with those two notches in the wheel when you put it together, and I won't tell you how I know that. But once the axle's removed, with the little jack, I lower it down. The other spacer will come out. Lower down. Remove. So I'll take the wheel in the other room, polish it up. There's another video on YouTube on how to do that. I polish them once a year. I really don't have to do it this year, but it's winter time here in the Berg. What else am I going to do? P.S. These mags came off a 83, 84, and 85 Suzuki Intruder, if anyone's interested. And there's my new horn. Now they can hear me. Anyway, you all have a good day and hope to hear from you. Comments are appreciated.